Hi, welcome to the .NET Core Blazor series. In the previous video, we was implement the user registration or sign up functionality to in our ASP.NET Blazor WebAssembly project. So in this video, I am going to implement the login functionality in our Blazor WebAssembly project. So for this, I have to create the login Blazor page in our WebAssembly pages. So after that, I have to implement the repository, implement the login method in our repository. So first create the. I have already done these changes in the Blazor server project, so I have just go there and in the pages folder, just copy this and paste it here. So as you can see that here is the our login page, and which has I have injected the navigation manager and the author repository. So in it I have called the login DTO. So I have one thing more, the login DTO from the Blazor server project, copy and paste it here in the DTO folder of the Blazor WebAssembly. So just move there and update the references of Blazor server to Blazor WebAssembly. So as you can see that in the Blazor login DTO, I have implemented the data annotations and implement some validations. So which is the is type email type, which is its name is the email address and it is required, and the password is also required. So in the login detail, you can login.razor page. You can see that here is the login detail. So one thing I had to implement is the login functionality. So if I go to the author repository and here is the author repository, so you can see that the login method is not commented. I have just uncommitted and move to the author repository implementation. So as you can see that author repository interface displaying one error. Author repository does not implement interface member author repository dot login. So I have already done this and I have to just uncomment this. So it has done now. So I have to just brief this. When the user hit the request, so it will be hit there and in the attribute request message, which is getting the attribute which is the post and the URL of the endpoints. So in our case, if I go to the static endpoints, go to the definitions, as you can see that it is getting the base URL, which is our web API project URL, and it is the API account user login. So it is the API accounts is our controller endpoint, and the user login is the method which is going to call. So when the request, I am just hearing defined like the what will the application respond, which is the JSON, and creating the request here and request send. If the request is not is equal to true, it will be return false. Otherwise, it will be moved there and store the JWT tokens in the as a JWT token in the local storage and also user email. So and change the user status to the login and just to build this project. And it's found no error. So just start the project and see the login functionality. So the project runs successfully, and just move to the Blazor WebAssembly login. Blazor with and copy the URL and paste it here. On login, it is the your layout of our login and email password. If you don't have account, you can click on the don't have account, and you will be redirected to the user sign up page. So I have implement already this. I have to test it. So here is the user email and it is the password, and just submit the request, and you will see that user is redirected to the home page. So the user login successfully. As you can see that if a user response is the true, then it will be redirected to the home page, and otherwise it will be the set to the field true. So if it is field is true, then it will be this condition will be true, and it will display this portion of code. So something went wrong, and just like this. So thanks for watching the video. And if you have any question, you can put your question in the comment box.